Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video tutorial we have to solve for x, and you need to see this trick. Okay, it looks so complicated for this question, but keep watching. I'm gonna make it easy for you. Okay, so first of all, let t equal to x plus 2, then t minus 1, we minus both sides of the equation with 1, so then we will get x plus 1 here, and when we take t plus 1, it will be equal to x plus 3. Okay, so next, substitute in our equation and we will get a new equation in terms of t. So then we will get t minus 1 raised to square, and then plus t cube, and then plus t plus 1 raised to power 4 equal to 2. Okay, so now we are going to expand this. We will get t square minus 2t plus 1 plus t cube plus t to the power 4 plus 4t cube plus 6t square plus 4t and then plus 1 equal to 2. Okay, so next, let's make this equation in order of the degree. So we will get t to the power 4, and here we have t cube and plus 4t cube, that will be 5t cube, and then t square with 6t square, that will be 7t raised to square. Okay, and then now we have negative 2t plus 4t, that will be equal to 2t. Okay, and then 1 plus 1 here, we will get 2 equal to 2. Okay, so then we will have t to the power 4 plus 5t cube plus 7t square plus 2t, then equal to 0. Okay, because we have 2 here and here, we can cancel it out. Then we take t in common, then we will get t cube plus 5t square plus 7t plus 2 equal to 0. Okay, so then in this case we will get t equal to 0, and then t cube plus 5t square plus 7t plus 2 equal to 0. Okay, so when we have case 1, t equal to 0, then we will get x plus 2 here equal to 0. Okay, then we will get x plus 2 equal to 0. That means x will be equal to negative 2. Okay, and another equation here, we need to solve for t again. So then in order to find the values of t related to this equation, we have to test. So we can test t, which is could be equal to 2, 1, minus 1, or minus 2. Okay, so we don't know what is the values of t that will satisfy this equation, so we have to test it. Okay, so test it when t equal to 2. Okay, then we will get 2 cube plus 5 times 2 square plus 7 times 2 plus 2. Okay, so then that is impossible that it will be equal to 0. It is impossible, right? Okay, so when t is positive, it is impossible. So then let's say when t is negative, so when t is equal to negative 2, then we will get negative 2 raised to cube, and then plus 5 times with negative 2 square plus 7 times negative 2 plus 2. Will that equal to 0 or not? Say 8, and then plus, so 5 times 4, 20, minus 14 plus 2. Okay, so will it is equal to 0 or not? Let's keep going, and we get, so that will be 22 minus 22. Okay, so it is equal to 0. 0 equal to 0, that means t is equal to negative 2. Okay, So t equal to -2 is the root of this equation. So then we will take t plus 2 in common for this equation. So we get t cubed plus 2t square. So then 5t square, we have to add 3t square, okay? And then plus, and then we take 7t, separate into 6t plus t, and then plus 2 equal to 0. Then we take 2 square, then t plus 2. And for these two terms, we take 3t in common, we will get t plus 2. And then t plus 2 equal to 0. So now we can take t plus 2 in common. Then we will get t square plus 3t plus 1 equal to 0. Okay, so then we will get t plus 2 equal to 0, t square plus 3t, and then plus 1 equal to 0. Okay, so next we will get t equal to -2, okay, and then t square plus 3t plus 1 equal to 0. So now we have to consider another case. So let's say case 2 here. When t is equal to -2, then we have to find the values of x. So here we have x plus 2 equal to -2 again. Okay, so x plus 2 equal to -2, then x will be equal to -4. Okay, so we have found x equal to -4, and another one here, which is x equal to -2, is 2 root of the equation. And now we got to solve the another equation in terms of t again, which is t squared plus 3t plus 1 equal to 0. So this is just a quadratic equation, so it is easy, okay? We can use the formulas. So that will be t equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac. So you need to know the values of a, b, and c. Okay, so in this case, we have a, which is equal to 1, b equal to 3, and then c equal to 1. Okay, so then we will get t equal to minus 3 plus or minus 3 square minus 4 times 1 over 2 times 1. Then equal to minus 3 plus or minus 9 minus 4. Okay, so divide by 2. Okay, then we will get minus 3 plus or minus square root of 5 over 2. Okay, so now another case, we got t equal to -3 plus or minus square root of 5, and we have to find the values of x. So t is x plus 2, so then we will get x plus 2 equal to -3 plus or minus square root of 5 over 2. Then x equal to minus 3 plus or minus square root of 5 over 2, and then minus 2. X equal to minus 3 plus or minus square root of 5, and then minus 4 divided by 2. Then we will get minus 7 plus or minus square root of 5 over 2. Okay, so then finally we have found 4x, which is x equal to -2 here and -4 here. X equal to -2, x equal to -4, and x is equal to minus 7 plus or minus square root of 5 over 2. Okay, finally we have solved this equation, and I hope you can understand. And if you think it is useful, please subscribe my YouTube channel, and goodbye, see you in the next video.